Programming is easy with Valto using Filamento's custom IR remote for any lamp up to 20 meters away. The light source will acknowledge your receipt of a command by slightly dimming to a lower level and back. The on-off button remotely turns on and off the luminaire. When initially turned on using this button, the sensor is disabled. Even with the sensor disabled, the dimming buttons can be used to adjust the maximum light level. To enable the sensor, press the Auto Mode button. This activates the sensor to the last presets. Valto is pre-programmed for energy savings at Scene 1. 3 additional scenes can be selected with predetermined hold times, standby dimming levels, standby periods, daylight control, and detection range. Motion detection ranges can be selected up to 15 meters away. Light levels can be adjusted for occupied and hold time periods at 100% and 80%, or to custom levels by using the plus/minus buttons. If the ambient light control is disabled, these buttons are also used as a dimming control. For more custom settings, hold time after an area is unoccupied can be adjusted here. The standby dimming level can be adjusted to 10%, 20%, and 30% levels. The length of time for a standby dimming level can be adjusted by these buttons: 0 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or infinity, which means the luminaire will stay on. Set the ambient light level with these buttons. The blue button sets the daylight sensor to the current ambient light level. These buttons set the daylight sensor to indicated lux values. The Lux Disable button disables the daylight sensor. When enabled, the light sensor will override the occupancy sensor and disable the luminaire when the light level is above the preset ambient light level. To set the fixture to a hold time of 10 minutes, a standby dimming of 30% without turning off, or infinite standby period, and an ambient light cutoff of 10 lux, follow this button sequence. After each button press, the fixture should flash briefly. Press Reset to start at a known starting point of Scene 1. Press 10 minutes from the hold time group. Press Infinity from the standby period group. Press 30% from the standby dimming level group. Press 10 lux from the daylight sensor group. Many common issues can be easily resolved by following these directions. For more complicated issues not covered in this video, please contact your Filamento representative. A complete Valto occupancy and daylight sensor manual is available on the Filamento website.